If your action inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more, then you are an excellent leader. Good morning to one and all present over here. I Suvarna Nimje on behalf of Balbharti Public School Gadawada extend my warm welcome to all of you. What is common between Mahatma Gandhi, Narendra Modi, Nelson Mandela and Barack Obama? They are all leaders par excellence. Leadership is a quality which is nurtured and has its seeds sown in childhood itself. We at Balbharti Public School Gadawada tap the quality of leadership in their early years and try to bring out the best in each so that they too can be great leaders of tomorrow. It's rightly said, leaders are not born, they are made. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important ceremony of the school, which remind us of the trust and confidence we repose in our newly elected council. It is my honor to welcome Mr. Pradipta Kumar Mishra, CGM NTPC, Mr. Bharat Mishra, GM Mechanical Department, Mrs. Rachna Singh Bhal, GM HR Department, Mr. Balaji Narare, GM O&M, Mr. Ram Malik, GM Project Construction, Mr. Deepak Sahu, GM Electrical Maintenance Department, Mr. Anil Baveja, GM Mechanical Maintenance Department, Mr. Vinay Kumar Garg, GM Technical Services, Mr. Satish Kumar Gujrania, GM Fuel Management, Mr. Prabol Mundle, GM Operation, Mrs. Aisha Mishra, President of Avni Mahila Mandal, Mr. Neeraj Kumar, Deputy Commandant CISF, Dr. Milind Shabde, CMO Jeevan Jyoti Hospital, and last but not the least, our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Geeta Bharatwaj. Leaders transform dreams into reality. Leaders transform vision into action. Leaders lead us. Leaders guide us. Leaders inspire us. Leaders make our school proud. With this enlightening thought, let's initiate this investiture ceremony on this auspicious occasion, the day where we instill our faith in our newly elected student council, which truly promises a brighter future of Balbharti Public School Gadawada. Now let us give a big round of applause to our newly elected student council. Stepping forward now, our new head boy, Aradhya Agrawal. He has a multifaceted personality. He is also a passionate learner. Now, I would like to request Honorable Mr. P.K. Mishra sir to pin up the badge to our newly elected head boy Aradhya Agrawal. Now, I would like to request our principal ma'am pin up the badge to new head girl Harpreet Kaur Arora. Now, I request Mr. Ram Malik sir pin up the badge to vice head boy Parth Srivastav from middle section. And I would like to request Miss Aisha Mishra ma'am to pin up the badge to vice head girl Avishi Agrawal. Now I would like to request Mr. Bharat Mishra sir to pin up the badge to Sagar Nigam, new vice head boy from primary section, and to pin up the badge to Anya Tripathi, new vice head girl by Mrs. Rachna Singh Bhal ma'am. Please welcome our new sports captain Arush Srivastav and pin up the badge by our principal ma'am. Now, principal ma'am to pin up the badge Molly Anand, who is new appointed literary captain. She has a good literary skill and caring attitude. Now next is cultural captain Sanchita Thakur, technology captain Akshit Verma, hygiene captain Kartike Pratap Singh and Manishka. I request respected principal ma'am to pin up the badge and I wish them all good luck for this year 2020-21. In this year we have new house captain Nimesh Singh from Ashoka House and Sagar Nigam from Shastri House. I request Mr. Bharat Mishra sir to pin up the badge. Now I would like to request Mr. Deepak Sahu sir to pin up the badge to Shivam Goyal for being elected new house captain of Shubhas house, and Principal ma'am to pin up the badge to Yashita Yadav for being elected as new house captain of Shivaji house. The vice captain of Ashoka house is Ahana Mehta. I request Miss Seema Divedi ma'am to pin up the badge. Now, vice captain of Shastri house is Aditya Maurya, and I request principal ma'am to pin up the badge. Mr. Divedi sir, pin up the badge of newly elected house captain of Shivaji house is Shubh Kaura and Yashita Singh from Shubha's house. The main duty of prefect is to maintain atmosphere of friendship, cooperation, peace, discipline and unity school. So our new house prefect are Anya Tripathi from middle section and Himanshi Singh from primary section for Ashoka house. From Shastri house our prefect is Sejal Soni from middle section and Ayana Singh from primary section. From Shivaji house prefect is Samvek Jain for middle section and Arham Jain for primary section. And from Subhash house prefect is Srishti Jaiswal for middle section. Congratulations to all house prefects, house captain, head boy, head girl, vice head boy and vice head girl. On behalf of Bal Bharti Public School, NTPC Gadawada and Student Council batch of 2020, our sincere thanks to esteemed guest and principal ma'am. I would like to extend my thanks. I would also like to take a moment to thank our principal ma'am and supporting staff of the school for their immense contribution to the development of this institution. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy and have a nice day.